Now here the question is, two numbers are chosen randomly and uniformly from minus a to plus a. What is the probability that absolute value of the smaller number is greater than 2 times the absolute value of the larger number? And does this final answer depend on the value of a? Now suppose the two numbers are x and y and they belong to this set from minus a to plus a. Now all the points on the sample space, they'll correspond to all the points inside this square of length 2a. So this is your x and this is y. This is minus a comma 0. This is a comma 0. 0 comma a and 0 comma minus a. Now it says, what is the probability that absolute value of the smaller number is greater than 2 times the absolute value of larger number? So we'll have two separate cases. Case 1, when x is the smaller number, that is when x is less than 1. Now first we'll mark this region. So we'll have this line y equals x line. Now when x is less than y, we are talking about all the points which lie above this line. Now we have this condition that absolute value of the smaller number, that is mod of x, it should be greater than 2 times mod of y. Now in the first quadrant, we'll have this condition that x is greater than 2y. So we'll draw this line, y equals x by 2. So this point will be a comma a by 2, and then we'll take the transformation of mod x, and then we'll take the transformation of mod y. So here our favorable region is this triangle. Now in the same way, we can take the second case when y is greater than x. In that case, we'll have this condition that mod of y is greater than 2 times mod of x. Now in this case also, from symmetry, we'll say this area will correspond to this similar area. So this favorable area, it will be simply 2 times and then 1 by 2. And what is the area of this triangle? Area of this triangle will be simply a square. So our favorable area will be a square. Then this required probability will be favorable area upon total area, which is 4a square, and which is nothing but 1 by 4. So the probability that the absolute value of the smaller number is greater than 2 times the absolute value of the larger number is 1 by 4. And the final answer, it doesn't depend on the value of a.